Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. My name is Carter, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the one and only ticker symbol PTON, also known as Peloton stock. We're going to be talking about should you buy, sell, hold, and why the stock is up a whopping 20% today. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, let me know down in the comments. And guys, we do have a course and a chat room that you guys can literally get for less than a cup of coffee. So make sure you guys check that out. Link in my description. So what is Peloton? Peloton is a company that sells fitness equipment. And looking at the chart, you will notice that this stock over the past couple of years has been getting obliterated. If we look at it, you'll notice the stock has fallen from about $171 all the way down here to as low as $8.22. Now, beforehand, this stock was the hottest stock out there. Every earnings was doing phenomenal, right? Bringing in over $607 million on that earnings, 757 on this one here, $1.06 billion. And then what started to happen is the economy started to open. This was all the way back in the lockdowns when everybody couldn't work out. And what happens when you couldn't work out and people still needed to work out? People bought fitness equipment online. And then once things started to open up again, you'll notice that we've just seen, for a stock that was bringing in over $1 billion, now it's $936 million. This one here, if we go ahead and we look at it, $805 million. On the last one, they did better, which is just over $1 billion. On this one here, $900 million. So there's been just so much volatility lately with the stock, and pretty much their revenues decreasing, their supplies decreasing. They actually paused production for a while. They fired a lot of their employees. But if we go ahead and we look at this 10-minute chart, you'll notice the stock has gone from $11 to $13. And this is because Peloton strikes a deal with Amazon. Now, this is such a huge thing because beforehand, you could only buy Peloton either on their website or through physical showrooms. So if you ever wanted to buy Peloton, equipment, you couldn't go online to Amazon and buy it. Amazon is the largest e-commerce site out there. You had to go on Peloton, or you actually had to go to a showroom, which honestly, nowadays, who is going to do that? Everybody just buy things, they buy stuff online. So I think personally, this is a huge thing for both companies. And another thing here, the Peloton chief commercial officer right here said that this is pretty much just the start of this. They hope to reach other deals with very similar, other similar deals here, which I could see one maybe getting one with like Target or Walmart. Sites like that, I definitely think Peloton could make a lot of money off of just because they've seen so much sell-off lately from the stock. So answering that question that everybody has, right? Everybody has a very similar question. Should you buy Peloton stock? So for me, okay, I think Peloton was a great stock. It was more of a short-term swing trade, possibly even more of a long-term investment, depending on when you bought it. If you bought it down here, sold it, at 120, $100 or whatever, right? You hold it for more than a year. But right now, the issue I face with it is how high can this thing go, right? Amazon, they're going to bring in more money, but the issue with it is they've already proven that, one, they're very, very expensive. They're a luxury product. They've increased their price as well. Their average was rated about $1,800 per bike because that's the main thing they sell. Now it's about $2,500. The one that was about $2,500 is at about $3,000 for a single bike. I think that's a very expensive, very luxury product. And just because they're putting it on more sites does not equal more sales. I think it'll probably end up getting more sales just because now more people know how to buy it. But personally, guys, I definitely think right now it's just a higher risk, higher reward play. If you're going to invest in it, I definitely think right now is the time to do it, because if you buy now, they're going to go ahead and strike out some, mergers. They're going to strike out some more deals and all of that stuff. And the stock will obviously get some buying pressure from it. But the issue with it is the product, right? It's an expensive product, and I just think that they're gonna hit their peak evaluation here soon. They're gonna hit however many people that they can get with these bikes, and that's gonna be it. It's gonna be more of a fad, not really more of a long-term investment. That's the way I see it. I definitely think, though, there could be some short-term plays along that route. But as far as the long-term investment, you're gonna want to get in probably under $10 a share. Before then, we'll probably get a little bit of some sell-off here because it does have some resistance at about $11 to about $13 a share. Right in that zone, we've just had that tendency to just get natural, resistance. But overall, I definitely think that this is just more of a short-term play. As far as the long-term investment, I'm staying away from it. Good strategy though. Dollar cost average it would be a good strategy that I would recommend, just so you can get a good average price for those shares. But as far as the long-term, I'm staying away. Short term, try to get in under 10 would be the ideal route. Try to sell it near 16, right at that resistance right in there would be a good play as well. That's kind of what I see, or take first profits at 16, hold it, and see if we can get a push back up to 30 or 40 bucks. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's what's going on with Peloton stocks. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.